Introduction to Python if-else statement. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. One of the fundamental concepts in Python is the concept of conditional statements. The most basic form of conditional statement in Python is the if-else statement. Understanding the if-else statement. An if-else statement in Python is a control flow statement that allows the program to execute certain code based on conditions. Syntax of if-else statement: if condition, code to execute if condition is true, else code to execute if condition is false. The condition in the if statement is a logical expression that evaluates to either true or false. Examples of if-else statements. Basic if-else statement: num = 10. If num is 0, print the number is positive, else print the number is negative. If-else statement with multiple conditions: num = 0. If num is 0, print the number is positive. If num = 0, print the number is 0, else print the number is negative. Tips and tricks. Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. Make sure to indent your code correctly under the if, elif, and else statements. When using complex conditions with multiple logical operators, use parentheses to make the order of operations clear. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. A common mistake is using the assignment operator equals instead of the equality operator equals in the condition. Don't forget to put a colon at the end of the if, elif, and else lines. Conclusion. The if-else statement is a powerful tool in Python that allows you to control the flow of your program based on certain conditions. By understanding its syntax and usage, and by being aware of common pitfalls, you can write more efficient and error-free code.